So for my gaming PC right here, the speakers have died. And normally I use headphones just like every other, rational gamer. But yeah, these Logitech ones, I've had them for many, many years. And yeah, they're dead. So I went to Micro Center and picked these up. Another Logitech brand, since they did last a very long time. These are the Z333s, 80 watts, well, basically 40 watts per, main speaker. Subwoofer does have the little thingy here for a headphone jack as well, and dial for volume, I guess. So let's open it up and put it together. So right away it gives you some visuals of how to connect it, which is pretty cool and self-explanatory. Logitech, you may have overdone it on the packaging. They do look good. So yeah, all right, good job, I guess. Detangling that old one was way too much work. All right, this is a nice little excuse to dust. All right, so for the cables, one is blue and one is black. I guess I should read the manual or just look in the back of here. So it looks like the blue is left and the black is right. Okay, sure. Nice little dial here for the bass, min, max. Let's start it in the middle. I'm excellent at cable management. They sing songs of my cable management. I think this looks great. Sounds pretty damn good too.